So the purpose of this class basically is we split it into two groups that both work on making some kind of a STEM educational kit that will teach STEM skills like engineering and physics concepts. We are going to be taking both of these things down to Quito, Ecuador, to an under-resourced school, and just have a bunch of kids down there in one of the after-school programs, just like test them out and learn how to be engineers and screw things together, and it's going to be really a fun time.
I'm looking forward to interacting with the kids, even just after testing with like students in Santa Barbara, and then just thinking about the opportunity to give these kids a new sense of life and the chance to do something they didn't think was possible is just amazing to me.
Getting to do something really meaningful, like life impactful, with my degree.
So my kit is a little 3D printed car that we've attached motors and wheels to that they're going to be able to wire and drive around through with the little remote control that we're giving them. And they're going to be able to run a little obstacle course, do a couple of races, and they're going to be able to just compete, have fun, and learn about friction coefficients and stuff like that, and just a bunch of different math things.
We are making a soccer game with a goal, a goalie, and then two different kinds of launchers. So goal is wood, the goalie moves on an Arduino thing, so it goes like left and right, and then it like rotates up and down, and then we have both the launchers use a different like kinematic concept.
The trip was really fun. I think I really appreciated like getting to know the other engineers better. I think we really bonded over that trip. It was a really cool experience to kind of go to a different place, and the kids were awesome. I loved working with the kids. They took to it pretty well. Our project, the little RC car, they got working pretty well. We didn't have to help them too much in building it. And they understood the concepts we wanted to teach them pretty well. I definitely appreciate where I come from more, and all of the kind of just the head start in life that I had. And I really learned to appreciate what God gave me and what my family and friends have given me in life. And just seeing a place that was so different and yet still seeing God there was also really cool.